Step 7. Staying accountable. Welcome back to Budgeting 101. How to create and stick to a budget. In the previous segment, we discussed Step 6 of creating a budget, which is making adjustments as necessary. In this segment, we will discuss Step 7, which is staying accountable. Staying accountable is crucial to ensure that you are staying on track with your financial goals. Let's explore how to stay accountable when managing your finances. 1. Share your financial goals with someone you trust. The first step in staying accountable is to share your financial goals with someone you trust. This could be a family member, friend, or financial advisor. By sharing your goals, you are creating a sense of accountability and support system that will help you stay on track. 2. Check in with your support system regularly. Once you have shared your goals, it's important to check in with your support system regularly. This could mean meeting with your financial advisor, having regular conversations with your family member or friend, or even joining a support group. By checking in regularly, you are holding yourself accountable for your financial decisions and actions. 3. Use budgeting tools. Another way to stay accountable is to use budgeting tools. There are many online tools available that can help you track your expenses and manage your budget. Some examples include Mint, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. By using these tools, you can track your progress and stay on track with your financial goals. 4. Set reminders and deadlines. Setting reminders and deadlines is another way to stay accountable. For example, you could set a reminder to review your budget on the first of every month or set a deadline for paying off a certain debt. By setting reminders and deadlines, you are holding yourself accountable for taking action towards your financial goals. 5. Celebrate your successes. Finally, it's important to celebrate your successes. When you reach a milestone or achieve a financial goal, take time to celebrate your progress. This will help you stay motivated and continue making progress towards your financial goals. In conclusion, staying accountable is the seventh and final step in managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By sharing your financial goals with someone you trust, checking in with your support system regularly, using budgeting tools, setting reminders and deadlines, and celebrating your successes, you can stay on track with your budget and achieve your financial goals. Creating and sticking to a budget is an essential part of personal finance. By following these 7 major steps, you can create a budget that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to be patient and stay committed to your plan. With time, you'll start to see the benefits of budgeting and the positive impact it can have on your financial future. Thank you for watching Budgeting 101, How to Create and Stick to a Budget. We hope this series has been helpful in managing your finances.